Welcome to MIM Factories. With our extremely low tooling and molding costs, we offer a one-stop shop for all your metal parts processing services. Our services include metal injection molding, powder injection molding, extrusion metal, stamping and punching, CNC, casting, metal forging, metal parts fabrication, plastic injection molding, and rubber injection molding. Our products include copper tungsten, silver tungsten, CNC machining parts, cobalt alloy, and cobalt chromium alloy. Please contact us today at 201-750-8672 or email us at info@mimfactories.com.